outside. Casino. We look the part now. We gotta play the part. Oh my gosh, they're about to take off. Out of some food on the water. Welcome to the vlog, guys. We're in this. We're in tough dried, no grease.
Pull up your lashes.
They can't go back. You don't put anything in there.
Anything good here, mama. Moisturizing, you know? Because some get it dry, not name.
Some get here better than yours, boy.
Yeah, still a record, cuz. It's still a record. Yes. Oh, you did.
Wagwan KK squad, it's a girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So the fam is in town. Oh my gosh, this hair. And I didn't get to vlog earlier because we were like all over the place, like doing shopping and on the beach and stuff like that. But now we're gonna go have dinner. So you'll see them in a moment. They're coming to pick me up while I stand here at my car and wait. We're gonna go out to eat, but when they come, I'll introduce them to the vlog. So be right back. Coming for some happiness. Yeah, you gotta talk.
Right now, they got paid for the video, as you know, said.
Here with outside. Outside with the fam.
Expenses, pictures.
My boy, I'm outside.
Matty boy, what?
It's cold in here.
It's warm.
Oh. I think I'll be my welcome. Hi. Today I try to figure out what I'm gonna get for drink. I might get the bahama Rita. What y'all getting? Cuties. No, you want to see how you look cute. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing.
Take it to the wall so you don't
Take it to the wall. I'll be the maybe there. Put it on my vlog. What is name again? Bahamarita. Alright, these are the Bahamarita. Glass them tall and nice. I love it. Brought the people them, please. Honestly, appetizer. Yeah. Now put it up on blast while we not eat. Just to record the food. You know what? I feel like we put age on pan blast. But hey, vacation by there, no. This looks spicy. This is the, what you call the pineapple bowl, jerk chicken pasta. But you have, this is jerk pasta. Chicken, jerk chicken pasta. Looks good. What is that?
Plan, yellow rice and flap.
Drinks number 2, guys. We're turning out, we're finna get lit.
10 hours later.
Okay, people.
Clean and nice.
People, when you come to a restaurant, they do this. Get up in and make sure everything's on the skirt. Yes.
Girl, good enough.
Okay, yes. Is that what it takes?
I want to put over your shoulder.
My purse. Listen.
Your merce.
Yes. When you hold it like this, and then hold it like this. It's a technique, you know. Right?
Put them.
It's a fuck it. You know, so you come from here, go.
Bro, good. Turn up. More get up and dance.
But all that ain't eating nothing.
Right, she ain't eating nothing.
You want to taste it?
On a big pineapple bowl.
Eat. Some pineapple like this.
What do you recommend this restaurant? Like, give me a 1 to 10 rating.
But I eat a 7.
A 7?
Yeah.
Why?
The 3 point I take out because of the first drink, 1% alcohol, but that's about the food.
And then take your money.
Exactly. Second, the food a little bit too bland, but you can't go on. You can't eat.
Yeah, maybe if you want to add it one seasoning to it, yeah.
Exactly.
You walk with some jerk cheese in your purse.
And third, you need it too cold, but the alcohol I warm up my blood.
Yeah, but you know, you can go outside if you choose to. We choose to sit on inside.
Yeah, so you can't go on.
Yeah.
Not complain. Not bad.
Look good though. I see you look.
Yeah,
The
look
preparation look nice. Yes.
Yeah.
It look clean.
Zoom in. So much quiet prayer. What am I talking about quiet?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from Bahama Breeze. Happy birthday to you. Woo, you missed it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Make your wish.
Make some boxes in.
Nice.
2.
Yeah, too.
Thank you.
It's not a birthday, motherfuckers.
We gotta do what we got to do.
Birthday where? Birthday. Yeah, I need to stop before she commentated this.
Yeah.
People think they never said that.
You never see you? Alright, which one are they?
Casino.
Say what's up to my vlog. I don't want the
Are
funny.
you vlogging?
Yeah, I'm always
Are you
vlogging.
a YouTuber?
Yes. Krissy in the building. Hey, man, like that's what me and I'm gonna make a skin over. I'm going in for art. Cheer. Watch love. Alright, so because them said them are going some money tonight. We're gonna be rich? Yeah, we're speaking into existence because guess what? Girl gets to make some money. One shot. They have shot right there. Okay. I don't know.
They said I'll be waterfront there in a second. Hey, get money.
Oh wait. We're inside the guitar. Oh yeah. I already have an old vlog on this thing already. Casino, we outside.
I mean, we look the part, now we gotta play the part, okay?
Much love.
My love gone.
Right? What's your love over here, so? Just like them have over here, so to go ask over here, so. Or they probably just have beer.
Drink beer.
Me either. Give me drink beer.
I already got some. Holy, that's from my goddamn J.
Are you full?
Looks like I'm full.
Look for me good.
Alright, so we're about to go get a drink.
I don't know what to get.
Trying to see what's order.
Threw up my lemon, but got some Don Julio tequila. Got some Hennessy.
Ooh. What? It's giving. It's still giving. I have a vlog on this already. And it's still giving. The colors change. Right? Why not? Why not?
There's good lighting right here.
You want a picture? Let me see you in the video.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Alright.
What's going on, beautiful people? Let's do the cha-cha slide. Afrobeat style. Are you ready? Let's go. Right foot, let's go. Left foot, let's go. Right foot, let's go. Left foot, let's go. Crisscross. 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 Are you ready? Cha-cha, let's go. Go, go, gaga, cha-cha. Give it to them. Give it to them. 1, 2, 3, go. Night. Go, go. Coca-Cola pot, I want that. Alcohol pot, pabusi pati beyond it. Come, some say you have a man. Kill the young. Yo, I'm killing them, pinong ngari patan. Anyway, you have a plan. Have a plan, have a plan. Have a plan. I'm gonna take to a killer. I just see if it's a pati. Panu madalan, she a fake. She no kiss me. Time, have a clock. My girl, I mean that. Me have to get the boy, got a boy, eat that. What place the fuck, plus I got 20 miles. Like him, no know me, booty body, in a baggy nisa. Dog chata, dog chapa. I mean, I give a fuck if you send him a dog kata.
You funny. Oh gosh, she said might as well get some food. How I start my day? Well, it come in the morning. Oh, see there come up. Whenever you show my vlog this, I'm gonna leave here. I say this all the time. It seems like it gives you a buzz. It does.
But we're not even drink nothing.
Yeah.
This one over here start drinking already.
Wanna know where the bridge go? Because some of my boat them can't pass under, so it have to go up.
Oh, it's too big.
Too big.
Why are you zooming on my face?
Girl, what you drink over there? She drinking some balls.
Tequila.
You hear me? She drinking some balls.
That must balls.
You don't. What? You know what's just so. That's the bridge too bad we can't see what we are trying to pass. Beautiful Florida. I turn the phone. Oh my gosh, just a cleanie. Oh no, I gotta get the best. Oh no, I gotta get the best. Not nice. I'm gonna understand. I wanna say Florida. I would say clean. I would say clean. Hey. All right, so we're going jet ski. I'm actually not gonna go on it because I'm kind of afraid, and if my other half, my partner, was here, I would have did it, but he gotta go to work. But they're telling me to do it with them, but I don't really feel like doing it. I'm kind of scared, but I'm here to support them.
It's $55 and you get also next year.
This is nice.
Okay. Stay right here. I'll be right back.
Why not try to get $55 for?
No, for next time I don't want this much.
Oh. With beach chairs? That's lit.
Fuck, we should just came out here.
Yeah. I love when you say on a
Get
just
into the vibe with us. No, we should fucking do that.
You found another son.
And give it
Uno?
melanin.
Yes, Uno. I give a flirt. Uno have to do it before the sun go in though. Just I tell Uno like, why my finger keep on a day in the something.
You're such a hater, y'all.
What you say? Hey, Rachel. Look up one. Go in front of me.
Yeah, go fuck up the girl too now. Watch out.
I know, not mine. Ian.
I feel it.
Yeah, what's mine is his, what's his is mine. Hey, if we just see all the clean
We're out
in
here
Florida.
in Miami. Let's do the test.
Oh,
loyalty or not. Let's ask partner.
Oh yeah, we could do
Let's
that.
check your phone, bro.
Let's check your phone.
You trust your partner, nigga?
Private property. Outside.
I see your family out here, so they must trust them partner.
Right?
Exactly. Past the pool, so I don't think we're supposed to be on this side. I think we're supposed to be like on the.
Oh, there's a walkway up there, so I don't know where that maybe which match it leads to. Jet ski. Let's see.
Escucha. Sí, te escucho, dime.
Escucha.
Oh, my foot's hot.
Volleyball.
You have to take the test and neither of you can drive now.
No, we are not driving. I'm not doing it. I'm just recording them. Yeah.
You guys do have to take. What year were you born in? 96. Yeah, so you do have to take the learner's test.
I mean, you guys are more than welcome to finish it out.
Yeah, you can cheat all you want. It's half the pass is going.
You get more than 6 minutes.
You guys pass it.
Alright. It's jet ski time. I put on them little jacket. Sending my kids out. I feel like I send my kids out underwater. Yeah. You ready? Oh, the wind blow up my ear. Oh my gosh, I'm a hot mess. But guys, I already know the vibe. Look at them, they're going out underwater. Anyways, I'm gonna show you one. With them dip on. They outside. Why are you on the phone, sir? Alright, they hopping on. Oh my gosh, they about to take off. Jet ski. Okay. They're trying to take a look at time. That's funny. Alright, look at them. I pick up little speed now. I'm gonna come back. Let's see. Alright. Yeah, they might do them thing out there. Okay. Alright, cousins. Yeah. By the way, guys, this morning I did too tired to get up, but they went and did an obstacle course type of thing. I missed that, but hopefully them have little clips and pictures can send to me. I'm showing what them do this morning. Alright, so them come back in, you know. Roll deep, roll deep. Oh gosh. Look dark. Oh! No one. We never like it. Oh yeah. No, but watch because out there the road. He go look. Watch because him is doing road right now. Nobody can talk to him. Nobody. Hey, nobody can talk to him. You know, see how fast he go? He is going 100 miles per hour right now. And he might turn the jet ski and he might go with himself. He is whining out there. But just sorry saying this so far. But he might go with himself. So one next jet ski come up pull up next to him. But see, he might go past everybody. Watch out, look at him fly. He flew out. Flying. He got flew out. No, sir. Watch it. Boy, look how him turn to. You see the turn them? The road and boy get dash overboard. Hey, the road. Hey. The road and boy get. Nah, man.
You know the funny for the buy. So long, so that me the funny on back in.
Oh, so that's why I'm going to do the road there now. I said they just living their best life. They're going back out on the jet ski. Well, this time both of them. They're both going out right now. Alright, they're going back out. Why this thing have to be in front? I don't like it.
Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl.
Outside. Oh yeah, let me see you. Ooh, child. Yo, the lighting this way.
Yeah.
Turn up. Turn up. You want to take it right this way? I mean, yeah, we could take it right here. Oh, down here, so it's not a beach background. Yeah, we're gonna have a little. What do you call it? We're on a brunch.
Oh, it's like munch. I'm just like
Brunch. I had to get this wedding in. Aww, congrats. Congrats to whoever getting married. Anyways. Alright, may I look? Right? Alright, so we go out on the street now. It's a rock bar. Here we come.
You push me like a big boy. Till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things are getting sticky, girl. I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong when I'm
Oh, always happy. But rock bar, right?
I'm a runner boy. I'm a runner boy. I'm a runner boy. I'm a runner boy. I'm a runner boy.
Guys, mind you, this is a guy right here. This is a guy right here. Now watch it, you can't tell him not acting now. Him? Bad. Relax. Here, rock bar. Hopefully we don't get copyrighted by this music. We're almost done with the drinks.
take a video of both of us chugging our drink.
Alright, yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Let me tell you, you cannot. You know the girl named outside. What's back there? Mama?
Hey girl, oh. What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Girl, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, if you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back.
It's brunch time. We're gonna order some food on the water. Just chilling.
This one is the burger, the juniper burger, and this one is a sandwich with the lettuce, tomatoes, and bacon.
Let's talk about this food though. Oh my gosh.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
That smile though from a vlogger. Sorry, let's do a do-over because I never have black pepper and salt for my egg. So I have to do a do-over. No.
Catch the bite. Hold on.
This is the bite. What is that? Oh, those are manoa. But they actually not taste bad enough. It's similar to onion. It's similar to onion. Actually not taste that bad. He said no. Alright, let me catch you bite.
Yeah, you can post it.
When you chew on something, give me a good review.
Juicy.
Damn, that's juicy. You want ketchup? What's the ketchup? What do you think about it? 6, 5 out of 10? It's pretty good. It's good? Okay. What do you think about your steak? It's good. I just got like some pancakes and eggs, like. Alright guys, so how about if we start eat? Enjoy the view, as you can see. Kinda dark out, but it is what it is. Yeah. We got some nice houses over there.
So like my little weekend trip was absolutely amazing. She's great when it comes to showing us around Florida. Like I gonna 10 out of 10 recommend. Yeah.
Book me, tour guide. Yeah.
I mean, we visit the beach, we did jet ski, we did obstacle course. We came to 10 out of 10
Listen,
restaurants.
rock
like,
bar.
We're on like the beach side, the
real.
the water side. Like we're living the life, okay? On a budget, don't forget.
On a budget, very important.
On a budget.
Look at
I mean, come on, look at the background. Like we're having views, okay? We're having
views. Miami, I'm in Miami. Where Adrian in there?
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
I will tell you guys, you do need to visit Florida for a little weekend vacation. You are gonna have a blast. It's very sightseeing. You're having a good time. Activities, jet skis.
Listen.
It's
like
Mother's Day too.
it is Mother's Day.
Can't wait to go.
Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful moms out there. All moms.
Yeah, can't wait to see my munchkin. She probably got jumping a man.
She gonna be like, where have you been?
Where you been?
She gonna be so happy.